Hey guys, if KB5070311 is not installing on Windows 11 version 24, H2, or 25 H2 and keeps failing or getting stuck, don't worry, this is a common update issue and you can fix it in a few steps. This problem usually happens because of corrupted update files, broken Windows Update services, or leftover files from a previous failed update. First, press the Windows key, type Services, and open it. Then scroll down to Windows Update. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, and if it's not running, click Start. Then apply and click OK. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, open it, and make sure it's also running and set to automatic. Close the Services window, then press Windows R, type CMD, and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter, then wait until the scan completes 100%. If any errors are fixed, restart your PC before continuing. After the restart, open Command Prompt as administrator again and run this command DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Let the process finish completely even if it seems slow or stuck. Once done, restart your computer again and try installing KB5070311 from Windows Update. If the update still won't install, the next fix is to reset Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run these commands one by one: netstop wazrv, netstop bits, netstop cryptcvc, and netstop mserver. Now restart your PC, go back to Settings, Windows Update, and try installing KB5070311 again. If it still fails, manually installing the update is the most reliable solution. Open your browser, search for Microsoft Update Catalog KB5070311, download the correct version for your system, and install it manually. Restart your PC after installation, then check Update History to confirm KB5070311 is successfully installed. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next one.